Hey there, this is Haynes Merritt, and we're going to do a studio tour before the redo. I'm getting ready to redo my studio. As you can see, the walls are painted a fairly dark gray, and there's not a lot of natural light in this room, so I want to repaint it and redo some lighting in here. Right now I have just basically lamps. And one ring light. But I'm just going to take you on a quick little tour of before the redo. I'm sharing this office or studio space in my house with another family member. And this corner area here has my little trolley with my paint supplies and some paint brushes and things like that. And then I have a card table with just a plastic tablecloth set up on it. It doesn't matter if it gets paint on it. I do have a ring light, which helps give me a little bit of lighting. And I do have my painting palette here. Sometimes I'll sit and do collage work or painting at the table, but mostly I work on an easel, an upright easel. When I redo the studio, I may change that. I may use the easel, but I also may do some wall mounts. Next to that, I have some paintings that are in the works in progress, and I also keep some extra canvases and things over here in the corner. And as you can see, I have just another tall light here. And then I have a cabinet, a two-section cabinet. I keep some art supplies and fixatives and things like that in there, some collage paper, some extra supplies. I inherited a lot of paper from my mother, who was a card maker, and also have a sort of like an IKEA type bin here that I have some extra supplies in. I do make my own collage papers. So that's some tissue papers there that I'm going to be using on this painting right here of some birch trees that I'm working on. And then this is also the rack that I do my seedlings for my organic garden. I've got all types of grow lights here that I hook up when it's time for me to start seedlings. So this is sort of like a dual purpose shelf. I have some paint supplies and some gardening supplies up top, my sander, some various works in progress, some bins with different tools that I use, like paint brushes and things that I use for mark making, and I have a bin with oil pastels and markers and things like that. So when we redo the office, we're going to paint it a much lighter color. It doesn't get really any natural light because the outside has a cover to the porch, so it doesn't really get a lot of light in here. So I'm going to put in a light fixture up above that will help me have a little bit better light for painting. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more videos, you can always like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.